Look! Some idiot's going down the eviscerator!
Where is she going? What are you doing out here?
This is pretty new to me. All I know is I chased that pointy rabbit through the glowy thing, and then it was somewhere else. She thought you'd talk her out of it.
You can't leave.
Spike! Spike, are you okay? I think so.
Maybe it's her!
Her who?
Nothing. Never mind. Can we just not talk about it? And could you please not bring this whole levitating thing up to the others?
Understood. What was that?
I present you with this revolutionary gizmo we call Bark!
I'll show you something that floats.
You see? This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Go suck air through a reed.